Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to Ready, Set, Viral. Today we're going to be talking about how to make fidget toys at home. But before we begin with today's topic, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And without any further ado, let's jump into it. Assorted in color, this ball is mushy and plastic in design, with a filling of colorful glitter and a white woven net around the exterior that allows clusters of the ball to poke through the net holes when you squeeze it. It's really simple to make. All you're going to need is a balloon, a net, and some silly putty or slime. Firstly, put the slime or silly putty into the balloon. Put the balloon in the net and tie it. It's that simple. Wow, so crazy. Stress balls are easy to make from easily available materials. All you need is a few balloons and the right material to put in them. If you want your stress ball to feel more similar to a commercial stress ball, then this simple method will definitely work for you. All you need to do is put some slime into the balloon like we just showed you and tie it off with an elastic. Decorate it how you want after, and voila! This hack is going to get you a super unique poppet that looks exactly like a paint palette. Start by tracing this shape onto some cardboard. Once you're done that, cut it out, and then you're going to need to set aside some construction paper for the next step after this. On the cardboard palette, trace some circles and cut little X's in the middle of them. This will help you cut circles into them after. Pop out the X's and cut out the circles as best you can. Then, on the construction paper, color it how you wish and cut little circles. Put tape on top of it and then cut a little slit into it until the middle of the circle. Fold it just like this and secure it. Then stick these on top of the circles you cut out of the paint palette. Secure both sides with tape and voila, you have a little poppet. How cute! Look how we added a little face. This next fidget toy is so amazing, super quick, and you can have so many for all of your friends. Firstly, get a few plastic straws. Cut them into pieces and get some wire and put it all around it. Make sure the wire is thick enough so the straws don't slip off. Pretty simple, isn't it? You can even make so many in a matter of seconds, which is pretty cool. And honestly, they are so fun to use. This next fidget toy is going to be a little handheld toy that you can decorate however you want. Get your creativity out. You'll need a Ziploc bag to store everything in. Stuff it with the choice of filling. After that, wrap the bag with double-sided tape. You may paint it, but you'll want to do it many times. It's entirely up to you how you want to go from there. These materials can be used to make some beautiful patterns, so it's definitely worth a try. Plus, you probably have all of these materials lying around your home already. If you simply don't have the time to make some of these fidget toys, we have a quick and easy one for you that only needs a few simple steps. All you have to do is get a bottle with water inside and put some paint within it. Choose any color you want. Then shake it up and open it, pour some shaving cream inside and shake it some more. Once you're done that, remove the cap, get all of the air out of the bottle and close it up. That's it, an amazing fidget. This next fidget is going to be a poppet fidget in the shape of the number 8 with just 2 poppet holes. Firstly, get cardboard and draw something in the shape of the number 8. Cut it out and cut out 2 plastic circles from a bottle, for example, that will be the same size as the holes you made in the cardboard. Glue them to the cardboard and paint them however you'd like. Then, cut out the same shape in a foam, glue it together, and that is it. Look at how cool that fidget is. But anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you never miss out on future videos from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. We'll see you guys next time.